Hajah Rangkayo Rasuna Said was a national heroine. This house stands as a silent witness how the young Rasuna was raised. She was born from the blood of struggle activists, strongly forged by custom, culture, and religion. Her education in religious school formed a strong foundation, making her aware of the importance of education, women's rights, and national independence. Rasuna developed into a critical, intelligent, and strong-willed figure. Her passion for learning never faded from the world of education into the political arena. So we are in Rasuna Side House, and you can look here. This is really covered with the woods. Wow, this is really cool. You have to come here. She was also active in journalism, realizing that change could be created the right. Her sharp writing and bold speeches in public forums terrified the colonial regime, even leading to speech delay. However, they did not stop her to write until the end of her life. Rasuna Said is a true role model. The caretaker of this house recounts how deeply she cared about the education of local women, even using the house's basement as a learning space. Today, this house became a cultural heritage. The house is often used for positive community activities such as religious activity, master commissions, and other constructive events. If you go to Maninjau, don't forget to visit Rasuna Side House and bye-bye!